What's up, everybody? Maui13. Okay, so today I want to show you my customer service chatbot. So I had an early version of this in the past, and I basically have taken that approach and thought about some of the things that other similar systems do. And so now that we've logged in, we have a system that can be installed on any website. And so this can be used as a service to sell. If somebody wants their existing website to have customer service in some way, provided by AI, of course. So I've demoed and built some of these things in the past. This is my own custom system. Um, and so once we've logged in, we're actually in the administrator area. Okay. I'll kind of quickly go over this that we have a delay of when we want the chat button to pop up to indicate that there's an assistant, a customer service bot that is saying hi. We have here the system prompt that is the main prompt for the AI, and it says, you are such and such name. You're a customer service assistant for the company. Um, be helpful and all that kind of stuff. And then about my company, I put in sample information for Singularity On. That's my website, singularityOn.com. Check it out if you haven't. We hit the save button, that works. And then we have some additional information, such as the welcome message. And we expect to see, hey there, hi there, I'm Aria, the personal support assistant. How can I help you today? The delay right there, how long it takes. Now let's go through theming and branding. So I went ahead and uploaded my image, which works fantastic. We have the name of the bot we can change, the company name, my company. We even have color theme, which we can update. And then we have a really cool area called the smart responses. And so we have deterministic responses to go along with the unique crafted responses that an AI will produce, probabilistic, of course. So when someone makes a particular inquiry like pricing, refund policy, or contact a human. Let's look at the refund policy. We see that when they try to say any word like reimbursement, return, cancel, refund, um, let's take that out and put returns. Okay, just like that. And it says we offer a 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. This is our response that does not require inference. It should give them a very specific response that we put in here. So we're done with that. We've updated that. Let's create a new one. Our priority, right? I guess that kind of makes sense in kind of developer speak. But let's leave it at default and just run it and try it. And the keyword, we're gonna do something unique, like let's go ahead and say, you know, AI education. Just do one very specific phrase. See if that works. And then it says, yes, we do offer fantastic AI education, customized for your needs. Call us today. Something like that. Save everything. Saved. Fantastic. Now we click our website, go to our website. Now we're going to take a little look here, and we're focused on the bottom right. So let me shift this over, and you can see what happened there. It actually popped up, hi there, I'm Aria. I'm your personal, etc., etc. And so the user, we don't want them to be interrupted, but we do want to let them know that this customer support agent is there. And so, we have our website that can have all this information. This pops up gently, goes away gently. And let's go ahead and test it. So we click on our Aria bot. Here it is online, representing our company. We have a button here that says clear conversation, although that can be made more clearer for the customer or hidden until there's an actual memorized conversation. And so our conversation should be loaded into memory. So now one thing that's not happening is we're not getting our We're not seeing that first message. I'm not sure if I like that or not. I'm okay with it right now, but I think I would expect to see a little thing right here that says, ready to help or something, whatever, right? So we say, who are you? Who knows, right? So now we're talking to AI and we're going to see, I'm Aria, customer service assistant. Okay. Um, what is singularity on specifically? Okay. I have a typo. I put albu, not alb13. So it's actually showing information that I typed in and mistakenly typed in. I want to actually correct that. I'll correct that as after. This is a live demonstration. So unique operating system themed design for the website, which it does have. Okay, what can I do on the site? I'm trying to see. You can explore my portfolio, which is true. You can learn about service skills and experience, which may be of interest if you're a company or individual looking to hire or collaborate. Nice. Actually, really, really nice. Would you like more information on specific sections of the website? Are you an AI? If so, which AI are you? I'm not an AI. Wait, whoa. Okay, all right. There's some adjustment that needs to happen here. Our AI has taken it on a little too much. AI is not a human customer service assistant. I never said that. Here to help you with your questions and provide support. If you don't know something, I'll let you know and connect you with a human agent. That's interesting. That says, so like, there's a little bit of intelligence lacking there, right? Because I'll connect you to the human agent who can help, but I'm a human assistant. So it seems pretty strange in the logic in one sentence, right? I'd like to speak to a human agent. Of course, you can reach our human support team at, there it is. And so this is the predetermined response. Who works there? Is there a name of someone I can talk to? I don't have direct access to specific employee information. Good. What are the last two things that I asked you? Who works there? What are the last two things I asked you? Kind of technically right. AI is a little funny like that. It is the last two things I asked. Okay, great. Okay, so now we can start a new conversation, which should work. But let's close it. I'm browsing my site and I'm like, hey, I got another question. Boom, right, bring it back up. All right, we're back in the flow. That's how we expect it. Now, the sophistication comes in that, I'm coming in here and I'm actually going to reload the web page. Let's go ahead and do that. Welcome. All right, now I'm back and I should see my welcome pop up, I guess. Let me see. See if I get a welcome pop up. No welcome pop up, and that would be fine and good. I don't really want to have a second welcome pop up because I already know about the bot, right? So I'm coming back in here and we're saving the conversation. We're back. What did I just ask you? I refreshed the page now. What did I just ask you? Okay. Okay, it's gonna repeat. I have to do. What are the last three things that I asked you just to get what I'm looking for? What are the three things? What are the two things that I asked you? Is that what I said? It is what I said because I said, what are the last two things that I asked you? Okay, it looks a little weird, but it is correct. Okay. What was the first thing that I said to you? Who are you? Did I say that? I don't even remember my conversation. Look at that. Who are you? All right, so welcome back. I like this. This is what is intended, okay? So unfortunately, when I had the chat history, what happened was it actually went down, and this one didn't show. So I have a kind of a bug. It does show correctly if it was just a small chat here, but so keep history or start fresh and clear. All right, let's do it. Start fresh and clear. All right. Um let's do AI education. That's it. Yes, we do offer fantastic education, customized for your needs. Call us today. What can I learn? Deep learning, natural language processing, and more. Good. Are designed to catering for various skill levels and all this kind of stuff. Really nice. Really nice. So our chatbot is able to be integrated. Let's go ahead and just do our nuke button here. Clear the conversation. Clear the conversation. This cannot be undone. I hit OK. Done. Back. And very cool. I think I'd like to have a little bit of a glowing effect around the avatar. Just like a pulsing effect. Very subtle. That'd be really cool. And I want that stuff. So this is a great demo. Shows some of the little tiny changes I want to make. I would hide this until there's actually something too clear. So we don't need to have that button there. And we can explain it a little better perhaps. But yeah, message and everything. And powered by my company. And AI may make mistakes. Classic. Should be there. And they're gonna understand that this is AI right away, and they're gonna understand that the AI could say some funny stuff. So that's reasonable enough in all sides. Um, that's the demo, and I think this was a success. And I think that companies like coming into the AI age by offering something AI on their site, it's forward to their customers. I think that there's a lot of stuff that you can put together by just putting it in the admin panel where you can, you know, add all these responses yourself, and you can customize um, the system prompt so that the AI can respond in ways that you want. You can change the personality. You can give it details about what it should be talking about, or where it should direct you, or where it should funnel you. So if you want somebody to really get to speaking to somebody, or very specific details about the company or products, you can provide that and just say, here's a list of the product details, and then just whatever's relevant, provide it to them. That kind of thing. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.